Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Who doesn't love snacking on spicy, savory and irresistibly delicious masala almonds? Without any further ado, let's get started. Add almonds to a baking sheet and spread it in a single layer so that it can get toasted evenly. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it's ready, add the tray to toast for 10 minutes. Let it cool down for a while. In a pan, add a little more than 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can add white oil if you want. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of toasted almonds in the pan. I'm going to use the leftover almonds with some other exciting recipes, so friends, stay tuned for that. Fry it with the ghee, not more than a minute. Then we are going to add all the spices in. Starting off with 1 teaspoon sea salt or rock salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar just to balance the flavor. I love to add some freshly crushed black pepper. In goes half a teaspoon garlic powder along with 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, half a teaspoon roasted cumin powder with 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon citric acid. Fry it for a minute until all the spices are evenly coated with the almonds. When it's done mixing, place them on a plate and cool it completely before storing it in an airtight container. Now you can have guilt-free snacking anytime, anywhere. So friends, please give it a try and let us know how it turned out. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.